This is Don Aussie Nature, and those are some macaws, one of the most iconic birds for the Osa Peninsula, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. You can find 3% of the world's biodiversity on this peninsula. Our mission is to find every bird of the world, and today we will walk a jungle trail right into the tropical rainforest. Super exotic birds, a lot of fun, some new species, so have fun with the video and let's go! I just saw a least flycatcher, I think, and he ate something like, I don't know, he ate like a small insect, which was really cool. Pretty random, but I mean, it's that time of the day. And right in front of me is more movement. Let's go. So we've got a variable seed eater, we've got the yellow-throated toucan, and we've got, I think it's a gray-capped flycatcher. And yeah, so really successful, and we are not even on the starting point that I wanted to get to. So yeah, let's see how much more we can get today. Okay, now through the river. The first one I had to cross was already very deep. It filled my whole boots with water. So right now I hope that they will stay dry, but I don't really think so. Let's see. Oh, the stream is strong. Nope, definitely water in my boots. Alright, so I have to empty my boots, and after that we can move on. The best thing about it when you get wet boots is that they stay wet for the whole rest of the day. As long as you're out hiking, as long as you can't switch your boots and socks, they will stay wet. There is no chance that they are drying while you are hiking or something. So yeah, wet feet for the rest of the day. That's great. I've just found a riverside wren, which is definitely a new bird. for our species list. That is great. Now we're talking. And look at this cute little river. This is bird's paradise. Right here. I just found a antrike, I think. Also a bird we haven't seen yet. I already have a picture, which you can see right here. But it is right in front of me. It is super shy. So it will be very difficult to get more footage. But I'll try my best. And I'll put the camera down, the GoPro, so I can try to sneak up as good as possible. I still see him. Okay. So I guess there was a male and a female communicating. Definitely got super nice footage, but they are still there. One joined the other, so they were sitting. One was sitting right here where I got the footage from. One was sitting right here on this side. They were communicating, and while I got the footage, I just heard flap wings, wing. I just heard the wings. So the other one joined. They are both on this side. That is why it is quiet now. So I will keep on the very left of the trail and be as quiet as possible so I don't bother them. I didn't yet, and I want to keep that up. They are supposed to do their thing. Okay. So I am past them, which is great. I guess I can act normal now again. Far away. Like, okay. This was great. Wow. Okay, we've got the antrike. I think it's an antrike. I will write it down in the video. I won't look it up right now because there's too much going on right here. I have way too much fun to now interrupt and just identify the birds. So I'll do that at home. But definitely a new bird. Wow, great. It's so good. And the footage together with this call that they do. Wow. You have to see the tail going up and down with it. Great. So cool. Wow, wow, wow. Yes. And that was also a bird I dreamed of a whole while because I always see it when I audio identify what I see. What is nearby, what the app can hear. I always saw this antrike, and I think it is an antrike. Let's say it's an antrike. I always saw it. It was always around me, but I never was able to even see it. And yeah, now I've got it. Such a great feeling. Yes. Smaller stuff in the bushes. What you heard right there was the riverside wren, which we already saw in this video. So I'll put you the photo right here again. That's the riverside wren, and that was so great. Sadly they didn't show themselves. I saw them hopping around once or twice, but no possibility for a video or a photo. So we will use that again. Found some spider monkeys, and yeah, I by accident walked into their group. Like, they were all around me, and one just came in front of me, like right above the trail. He was shaking a branch like crazy, and that instantly showed me that they don't want me right here, right now. I'm way too close. They are afraid of me. I should back up. That's what he told me, and I backed up, and then was when I recognized that they were already all around me, and that I just didn't see them, hear them, because they were relaxing. But yeah, so if anybody comes here and sees spider monkeys, if they shake branches in front of you, looking at you, back up, you're too close. But I got some pictures of one hanging out, and there is one with a mother and a baby, so right here they go. Here you go. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to become a part of our journey in which we will find every bird of the world. Next up, leave me a comment down below. First of all, what I can improve with my videos, and second, which was your favorite bird and favorite picture of today. Well done, have a nice day, and see you the next time. Peace!